When connecting to a new data source, we can either create a new document or add a new dataset within an existing document. In this example, we'll add a dataset to the Yoga West document for the universe that contains customer survey information. We need to enter the credentials for the business intelligence platform where our universe is stored. In this example, the credentials are already entered. Note that both UNV and UNX universes are supported. A universe tree displays the available objects in the universe grouped into folders. We need to double-click to select the objects we want to acquire. In this example, we want the transaction ID, overall, comment, and sentiment objects. If we want, we can also include universe-level filters or prompts. Filters restrict the data to include only the specified results, while prompts enable us to specify the desired results by typing one or more values or selecting values from a list. We can also choose to preview the data before acquiring the dataset. If required, we can change query properties such as the size of the query or the maximum retrieval time. These values are retrieved from the properties for the universe, but they can be overridden if necessary. In this example, let's use the default values. When we include a prompt, we're presented with the options for the filter. We can choose the appropriate values from the list of values for the prompt to filter our selection. In this example, we'll select all values. Now let's create the dataset. Once the dataset is created, we can modify and enrich it as required. The dataset for the universe has now been added to the document. Visit www.saplumira.com for more information and to download SAP Lumira free today.